Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and another video in our PEBC Pharmacy OSCE preparation course in this boot camp that we have ongoing. And today we have a case about nausea and vomiting. This is another popular case in the OSCEs, and it requires paying a lot of attention to certain symptoms, signs and symptoms that the patient will tell you if you ask the appropriate questions. There are a few red flags that we're going to go through, and when you see those red flags, or when you hear about them in the case, you should know that this patient will be a referral case. I'm going to give you a lot of tips today, so stay tuned, and thanks for everyone who joined the course. Let's get started with today's case. So as usual, I like to give you some red flags to watch for in those cases, and there are a few red flags in the nausea vomiting case. You don't know if you're going to get any of these, and that's why you have to ask the appropriate questions to the patients before deciding to recommend something. And by the way, they're going to give you some products in the station, but that doesn't mean that you have to recommend one of these products to the patient. If you think it's a referral case, refer the patient, or else if you recommend something for a referral case, you might actually fail this station. And some of the red flags in the nausea vomiting cases are: first, nausea vomiting for more than 3 days without known cause. And when I say a known cause, I'm talking about things like a pregnant patient. It's common to have nausea vomiting, so that would be the cause. Or a patient who just had a surgery, so we know that the surgery might be the cause of the nausea vomiting. Or a patient who just had chemotherapy. These are causes. If the patient doesn't have any of these causes, but they have nausea or vomiting that has lasted for more than or longer than 3 days, that should be referred to the physician. Next is vomiting lasting more than 6 hours in a child. If the actor tells you, "Oh, this is my child and they've been vomiting for the last 7 hours," you should immediately refer that kid to the doctor, because this is not something that we can treat with an over-the-counter drug.